what of if I say I'm going to live long and you don't live long?
So it's a form of security then.
Financial security.
Financial security.
That's what it is. It's a financial security. To know that, yes, I'm not that young. Nobody prayed to die young. Mm-hmm. But as we are speaking, we are talking now, people are dying. They die. I've seen somebody who died at the age of 40, at the age of 30, at the age of 50. And what happened to the family they left behind? That's what we never look at. But all we think about is we are working, we are making money, we are cool.
Hello folks, how you all doing? It's me once again, Orishua Daniel Etuwewe. I don't need to introduce the guest. You've seen him on this platform before. He's Mr. Olalekon. You're welcome once again.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes, sir. On today's episode, he's going to be talking about life insurance. He's a financial rep here in the United States of America. So he's going to enlighten us all about life insurance. Interestingly, a good number of people are scared of getting life insurance for their family. So he's going to let us know so much about what life insurance is, the benefits of life insurance, and why we all, more especially those in the Western world, need life insurance. So please, sir, it's all yours right now. So what is life insurance?
Well, it's a broad definition. And life insurance is all about protecting the loved ones and protect what matters to you in your life. And that's what life insurance. So when I say that, I mean, what will the life of your children, of your family be without you? You as a breadwinner, how can you transfer your future problems, your future body to someone else without having to worry about that? That is life insurance. It's a way of protecting your family and loved ones. It's a way of protecting what matters to you much. And that's what life insurance is all about.
Okay. So I want the viewers to understand more. You know, that you have more knowledge about this because you've been in the field, you've been a financial rep for more than 10 years.
15 years.
15 years now.
Yes.
When I heard about life insurance, for the first time I came into the country and somebody was saying, hey, young man, I think you need to have life insurance. I said, what do you mean by that? Back home from where I'm from, Nigeria, nobody talks about life insurance. Here, there are insurance companies back home, but nobody talks about it. So why do I need life insurance? I'm still young, and I'm married, so my wife is young. Why do I need life insurance if I'm still a young man? So please, can you let me understand and let the viewers understand in a deeper way why we need this life insurance?
Okay, thank you so much. Anyway, you mentioned something that's really struck me about home, that even they have life insurance in Nigeria or something in Africa. Mm-hmm. The problem, if you see less than 1% of people have life insurance in Africa, and if you see those people there, maybe they are educated. That's one thing about them.
So education has to
go, understanding of what it is has to go with it. We come to this country, and I've been in the business for 15 years, and many people I've met, I've listened to people talk to me. Believe me, it's amazing. The perception of people about life insurance is amazing. I've seen people who say life insurance is all about dying. If I buy now, I will die. Some people say that. And I tell them, dead people don't spend money. Money is for the people who are living. All right? Some people in Nigeria, less than 1% that knows about life insurance, probably they were educated to know the importance of it. All right? So when we come here with that negative mind about life insurance, like, oh, if I buy life insurance, I will die. Or life insurance is for the old people, is for old people. That's the mentality we have in Nigeria when we come back here. All right? But right here, this is where life insurance starts. Believe me. It's amazing what life insurance can do for you. It's amazing. People don't know the power of it. Number one, that people have to understand that your work is not going to get everything done. Your salary you are earning cannot do much for you. And you're as good as your salary. So life insurance it takes care of a lot of things. For example, your family, the children, you can use your life insurance to send your children to college. But the problem that we're having in America with many immigrants here is they don't think about life insurance. All they think about is, well, I'm working, I'm making money, I don't need life insurance. So they say they are making money.
So the immigrant population seem not to have enough understanding about what life insurance is and why they should have life insurance.
Yeah.
So does that have to do with culture? Because the way we were brought up back home, when a person dies, when a loved one dies, definitely everyone is going to die one day, but when a loved one dies back home, we find out that people chip in, family members are the ones who does everything, cater for the burial ceremony and every other thing, but the wife and the children of the one who's gone are not catered for. Sometimes you have some organizations who give, but unlike in the United States here, when an individual passes on, we find out that a lot of people go on Facebook and they're trying to raise funds. So what you're trying to tell me is that life insurance, would be able to kind of cushion that area. You don't need to go scouting and scouting. Why? Because you have definitely kept money somewhere for the, what do we call it? For the set day.
Yes, sir, yes.
Oh,
really. One of the problems we have, I'll tell you, when you are talking about, they contribute money for the burial, what happened after burial? Who's going to take care of the kids to go to college, number one? Who's going to take care of the house, that person's house? How are the children going to take care of the house? How are they going to live in that house? We don't know. That's number two. How are the kids going to live their life before they even be independent? Okay? We don't look at that. We only look at chipping little money here and there to do the burial. All right? That's our perception in Nigeria, in Africa generally. But when you come back here, you find out that life is more than that. Okay? You have a house. You are still paying mortgage on the house. Let's say you have 500,000. You have 3 kids. For average one kid in America to go to a standard school, you need 120,000. And you have 3 kids. That's how much is that? 360,000, right? You have a house which is 500,000. We are talking about 850,000 there. If I say I'm going to live long and you don't live long.
So it's a form of security then.
Financial security.
Financial security.
That's what it is. It's a financial security. To know that, yes, I'm not that young. Nobody prayed to die young. But as we are speaking, we are talking now, people are dying. They die. I've seen somebody who died at the age of 40. At the age of 30, at the age of 50. And what happened to the family they left behind? That's what we never look at. But all we think about is we are working, we are making money, we are cool. You see? So.
Or is it a perception of people that think life insurance is so expensive? Like, oh no, I don't want to go there. That's going to be part of, the weight I have to carry. Is it? Let's break it down, sir.
See, life insurance. Okay, sorry. Are you done with all that?
No, I was trying to see how you can help us break it down. Is it that expensive, and what types of life insurances do we have? Okay. Because some people say, oh no, that is so expensive. I can't have myself paying $200 or $500 every month. Some people think life insurance, the premium is like every month you have to pay about $300, $400. Probably that is what scares people.
Okay. There are so many reasons people give in life insurance. And mostly, 90% of people that give that reasons is our African people. Because America here, they are well educated with this. I've seen people who doesn't have nothing. They don't have much at all, but they have life insurance. Yeah, they do. Why do they have it? Because they know it's essential.
They know the value.
They know the values. They know that what happened if they go today and they die tomorrow.
Thinking of their family.
Thinking of their family. Thinking of them to live their dream. Thinking of them to live the life they wanted them to live. Your salary cannot do that. Your salary cannot do it. How Where do my family get source of income if I die tomorrow to survive? Especially when you still have little kids with you. Yeah. How do you want them to go to college you are dreaming of? If something never happened to you suddenly, if you die, that's what I mean. Okay? So, and our immigrants, they have so many reasons why they don't want to buy life insurance. And I'll tell you a few of them.
Okay, sir.
Okay? One of them is like, oh, I'm not dying tomorrow. I'm not dying early. I'm not dying now. I'm going to live long. Yes, we all say that. We all pray for that. But is it true? People die today. People are going to die tomorrow. People will die next month. People die every day.